YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Papa G, BG Kennel, and we back with the 3-week updates on them pups, man. Them bitches look right, beautiful, gorgeous. I'm talking about thick, turning out just how it's supposed to. Just how they supposed to turn out. As you see right now, I'm in the morning. I take my medicine, eating breakfast. And I'm gonna show you all them pups, man. I don't know what's going on. I think people waiting on till they get bigger to see how they look. But it's okay, you can wait that long. Just nigga like me, I keep the whole little. Then I really make money, you feel me? I ain't tripping, cause I know what I got. I know that shit flame. But I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer till the next scene.
Hit the block, pushing D like the line. Chasing daily, gotta get it for mine. Yeah, I had to get it, I had to hustle. Everything I got it with muscle. Strong arm, come straight out the gutter. Hard time, seen my mama struggle. Black queen, never seen a crime. But I knew the shit hurt, so I got on the grind. Hit the block, pushing D like the line. Chasing daily, gotta get it for mine. Yeah, I had to get it, I had to hustle. Can't forget the time I was broke. Winter time, we had to cut on the stove. School night, we had to hand white clothes. I lived a rough life, but a young nigga ain't fold. Stand firm on the sit, had to stick to the code. All the G's in my session, they ready to roll. They scrap with sticks and they taking your soul. One fall move and they up and they blow. Everything I got it with muscle. Turned up, soon I jumped out the peak. Got me a pack and I took me a heat. Dirty face, that's my name in the street. Glock 23 and I'm ready for drama. Apply a little pressure, these niggas gon' crumble. Snatch nigga purse, get that shit to my mama. Hit the chart early, gotta run up them coming. Good dope, junkie ready to rumble. 3 AM, and they calling for crumb. Hang up the phone, I ain't serving no bum. Beat the pack, I get it in and it's gone. Pad protection, I can get through the zone. Hit stick him cause he carrying it wrong. Quick draw, sound like Patrick Mahomes. Got to the paper, chose streets on my own. Shout out to my dude, swat that lady strong. Never needed no nigga, she stand on her own. Work 3 jobs to the day, I'm tryna get her some acres and build her a home. Tell her to retire, I know it been long. Tryna take care of the family to my weight on my shoulder. A young nigga strong. Tryna take care of the family to my weight on my shoulder. Chasing it till I'm gone. Everything I got it with muscle. Strong arm, come straight out the gutter. Hard time, seen my mama struggle. Black queen, never seen a crime. But I knew the shit hurt, so I got on the grind. Hit the block, pushing D like the line. Chasing daily, gotta get it for mine. Yeah, I had to get it, I had to hustle. Everything I got it with muscle. Strong arm, come straight out the gutter. Hard time, seen my mama struggle. Black queen, never seen a crime. But I knew the shit hurt, so I got on the grind. Hit the block. I had to get it, come straight out the gutter, straight out the gutter. See, I had to hustle, everything I got it with muscle. Strong arm, come straight out the gutter. Hard time, seen my mama struggle. Black queen, never seen a crime. But I knew the shit hurt, so I got on the grind. Hit the block, pushing D like the line. Chasing daily, gotta get it for mine. Yeah, I had to get it, I had to hustle. Everything I got it with muscle. Strong arm, come straight out the gutter.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Folk eating good, looking good, walking good, barking, growling, fighting good, all that shit. Doing what they supposed to do, developing right. I feed them that shit, but they don't really eat much because I just started that like 2 days ago. So I just let them eat what they gonna eat. They still eat off the mama. Mom do still feed them, so she in there feeding them right now and they in there sucking on them right now. But I'll probably have another video of my boy Zeus dropping probably Monday. It'll be dropping Monday. And I have another video of the pups Thursday, 4 weeks. Stay tuned.
That's all, folks.